game? Which one's that? Oh, ballet star. Wow, you can be a ballet dancer.
If you record, you cannot zoom.
Yeah, you can zoom in, zoom out. What are you doing?
Not making the zoom.
Oh, you're making a video.
Yeah. It's not zoom. Video. Maybe the picture only.
Okay. Ooh, Littlest Pet Shop. See, that's why when you asked me if it was Littlest Pet Shop, I said yes.
You mean she opened all her gifts?
Yeah, why not? Which one's that? Uh-oh. Wow, personal trainer math. That can help you with your times tables. Which ones are you up to now? You're up to 6s? Wow.
What's 6 times 12?
72.
Good. That's right.
Ooh, it's a Sims game. Alright. I think that one will probably be your favorite. Oh, there's one more somewhere.